Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's been another glorious Sunday here. Just emptied this. I've just top dressed it with probably about 4 inches of new compost. And I'm going to plant this up with let's have a look here, shall we? It's nice dinner plate dahlia. It's a capital A, what they're called. And let's have a look down here. We have some nice petunias. I'm going to get and plant them all the way around. Really looking forward to planting this up. All these were from Thompson & Morgan this year. They've been really good quality petunias, these. I haven't got a bad word to say about them. Got some more here. Probably, I think, how many is there? That's 3, 6. Okay. Put 9 in here. Now let's look at this one. This one as well. So yeah, that's them all put on there. I shall get my fork now. Right, here we go. Let's get these planted, shall we? I shall get the main one planted in the middle first. Capital A. I've always taken some cuttings off this. I'm well happy. If you have to get rid of a little bit of compost, it's not the end of the world. Sometimes you overfill it by accident, like so. The surround beads I put in just for a bit of drainage. Yeah, that's nicely planted in the middle there. And then we should get these planted then. These petunias are really gorgeous and the smell is divine. Let's get these planted. Yeah, I'm using a peat-based compost, which I'm switching from because they are banning it shortly in the UK, so I shall be switching from a peat-based compost to probably a coir-based one. So they're really good. But yeah, every couple of inches all the way around. These will look divine when they really start. I'll give them a good feed today as well. Give them a water, give them a feed. I use tomato right. Spin it down one more. Yeah, it's got plenty of potash in it and it's really good for flowers. These sometimes suffer from powdery mildew, so what I tend to do when it's been settled in for a couple of days, I shall give them a really good spray just to prevent it. I've had it before with petunias. Keep on top of it, shouldn't be a problem. Look at this, slugs and snails. And be careful, they can go over there into the hedge. But you can tell the different size of the petunias. These are because I ordered them at different times, so they've grown differently. But they're all looking really well. Hanging it over nicely. Always try and leave like half an inch gap so when you water it, the water doesn't just run straight off. Another one here. Got this one I think next to it. Yeah, I could have put some more plants in this, but I thought I don't want to overdo it because these will soon fill this out, especially with the large dahlia in the middle. That capital A, it's a dinner plate dahlia. I've already taken some cuttings off, which I'll probably show you in the next few days. I think they've rooted, looking well anyway. This is a nice colour, like this. Really nice. Everything looks a bit damaged at the moment, that's because of transplanting stuff. But they all soon pick up. Just got another 2 to go. And then that's this planted up. If you have any questions or anything on my channel, please just leave a message in the comments and I shall get back to you as quickly as I can. Always try and get back pretty quick because I know if you want to know something, you don't want to wait about for it, you want to get it, know something and get it done. The last one. And then, once all that's done, give it a good pat down. I shall give it a really good water now. Hopefully let all this settle. I should end up with a lot of air in it. But yeah, give it a really good soak. All this should settle probably a couple of inches at least. Just wash all the compost off the sides, just neaten it up a little bit. Like I said, I shall feed this later on today or tomorrow. But this will look really nice on the front. and we put it next to my front door. The petunias are great, they smell really nice, the perfume is absolutely out of this world. Yeah, whenever I'm watering anything, I make sure I really water it in well. I have too much water and not enough. But as you can see there, it's starting to settle down nicely. And then this, every time I water it, it'll settle down a little bit more. With the old composting, I've just broken it up what was underneath. Yeah, that's it. That's how to plant one of my planters up, one of my big terracotta ones. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.